Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Nissan key fob. You're going to need a small flat tip screwdriver around this size, and then also one of these replacement batteries. These can either take a 2032 or a 2025, and I'm going to show you where to check, but I have put links in the description to both versions of the battery. So what you want to do here is push down this latch and pull your mechanical key out. Next, you want to take your screwdriver, and there's a little indentation on either side right here. Go ahead and on either side push firmly and kind of work your way in there. Now you don't want to be too aggressive because the circuit board is right here. Now right here you can check which battery this takes. This one takes a 2032. Go ahead and remove your battery right there. Take your new battery, positive side facing downward in this direction first. Then clamp these back together. Just give it a good squeeze. Put your key back in, and you're all set. There is no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.